Introducing the all-new BMW M3 Touring, the ultimate driving machine in estate car form. After nearly 40 years of perfecting the saloon version, BMW have evolved the M3 into an estate car, giving drivers the perfect balance of sporty performance and versatile practicality. The M3 Touring offers more cargo space than ever before, making it perfect for weekend getaways or transporting your gear to the track. And don't let the added practicality fool you. The M3 Touring is still a performance powerhouse with a twin turbocharged engine and advanced suspension system for the ultimate driving experience. The BMW M3 Touring, practicality and performance, now in estate car form. Available at John Clark BMW, Aberdeen and Dundee.